think actually it missed the majority of us, doesn't it? Oh! Good job behind that way. Oh dear. Oh, they're huge as well. Look at that animal. Oh, no, not the car.
Ready, guys? Are you ready to get wet?
Yeah, Laura, little Laura here, she used to love tractors. She loved them so much. She went to all the tractor conventions. She worked really hard, really hard. She went to all of them. She loved old tractors, new tractors. And then she got fired from her tractor job. Oh, it's sadder than that. Yeah, and she says, this is it. I'm no longer in love with tractors anymore. And then one day, there was a barn fire with loads of these old tractors in. Laura luckily was there, and she went, don't worry. She ran in, she took a deep breath, breathed in all the smoke, she ran outside and she blew it all away. It's a good job she's an ex-tractor fan. Ex-tractor fan! Try that again. Ex-tractor fan! Who's the best staff member at York Maze? Who's the best staff member at York Maze? You guys are the front feet, you're getting away with it, but I can do semi-power. Just don't press it as hard. Okay. Oh, I think you guys are alright to go now. Well, thank you guys, have an amazing ride.
Okay, hello, my name's Anna. I am going to host the tractor ride. Just so you know, the jokes don't get any better than that, so if you really hated them, yeah, just strap in for the rest of it, I'm sorry. Okay, so our tractor driver's name is Laura. Everybody say hi, Laura.
Hi, Laura.
She's not an ex-tractor fan, she's still a big tractor fan, aren't you? And thank you to Sam and Joe for getting you all on board. Say thanks, Sam and Joe. Come on, you give a big hi to Laura and then nothing for Sam and Joe. Say thanks, Sam and Joe. Amazing. So I'm going to take you through a few quick safety checks and then we will set off, okay? Sorry about that. Just to let you know, this ride can be a little bit of a sensory overload. We do have some loud noises, water explosions, fire effects, smoke effects, you know, all that good stuff. I know I'm spoiling it a little bit, I'm sorry. But if anybody has any sensory issues, or there are any small children or pets, for example, that might not handle that too well, do let me know if you have any concerns by popping your hands up now. No, we're all good. No what about concerns? Give me a big thumbs up if you're happy to continue. Awesome, thank you very much. Please keep your hands, arms and children inside the trailer at all times. Please remain seated for the whole ride. And with that, Laura, I think we can go. What do you reckon? Yeah, there we go. Give me a big woo-hoo! We're very excited. Okay, so just so you know, this tractor is fueled with cheer. So if you can keep the encouragement high, it means it won't take us an hour. It'll only take us 20 minutes, all right? Brilliant. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is that here at York Maze, we are in a constant, never-ending war with those pesky crows, and that is because York Maze is a maze, and crows eat maize. And a maze without any maize simply dismays, doesn't it? So by getting rid of the pesky crows, we can make sure that York Maze, the maze, stays amazing for days! It took me a week to learn that, thank you though. Okay, so now we are here at Farmer Tom's Guide to Crow Shoeing. We are going to shoo away those crows. Are you going to be the bestest, loudest gang I've had all day? Yeah! I'm not convinced. Are you going to be the bestest, loudest gang I've had all day? Yeah! That's a bit better. So here it says, if you come across a pesky crow, here's some things you need to know. You'll find they hide all over the place. So start by pulling your silliest face. Can I see those silly faces, please? Adults included, silly faces. Yeah, I can't see you pulling a silly face there. You're never too cool to pull a silly face. Come on. Well, you've made yourself a target for the rest of the ride. That's what's happened there. Okay, it also says here, I need you to shout, be nice and loud, scream, get lost, and do it proud after 3. 1, 2, 3. Get lost! Nice, well done. And he's left us a handy post-it note that says, there's one more thing that you can try, but it definitely won't leave anyone dry. Have a practice. What do we reckon that's referring to? Any ideas? What? Just that there. No, it's referring to my wicked water weapon of wonder here that you became acquainted with thanks to Joe. Okay, I'm going to have a go at that target and count down from 3, and then you lot are going to shout, get lost, okay? 3, 2, 1!
Get lost!
Nice, well done. Woo. Okay. Oh, and there's a crow there. Shout, get lost, is it? Get lost! Crow, get lost! Oh, okay, that was a water explosion, wasn't it? That was quite early in the ride as well, so just strap in for the rest of it, because that set the tone for you. I hope you're feeling brave. What are you pointing at? A barrel there? Just an empty barrel, someone's a bit paranoid. Okay, so there are 3 ways we can shoo crows. We can shout, get lost, we can pull silly faces, and we can use my water cannon here, which doesn't actually use normal water, it uses crow repellent from concentrate, obviously. And I'll tell you what, it doesn't just work on crows either. It works on mums and dads as well, look at that! It works on people who don't pull silly faces too! Get lost! Get lost, pesky boy, get lost! Okay, hey, get lost! I'll help you out. I'm sorry, this thing has a mind of its own. If I could stop, I would have by now, but... Okay, so yes, those crows are armed, which means it is going to be a bit of a tough one, but I'm sure you're feeling brave, aren't you? You're feeling very brave. We are now approaching our York Maze resident scarecrow hut. And I don't know if you've noticed this, but it looks like he's packing up and moving away. There's boxes and cases everywhere. He's packed everything but the kitchen sink.
Hello there, everybody. Can't start to chat. I'm a bit busy.
Oh, busy doing what?
Oh, well, I'm packing.
Yeah, we can see that. Why?
Well, I'm afraid it's time for me to leave this here maze, you see. I'm just not scary enough anymore. It's sadder than that. Thank you.
What do you mean you're not scary enough anymore?
Well, you see, it's not just crows what need scaring these days. Their leader, the evil Crow Man, is back. And this year he's bigger and badder than ever.
The evil Crow Man? You mean that feathery fiend who's trying to overthrow Farmer Tom and become king of York Maze?
The very same.
Oh, well, we're not scared of him, are we?
No!
No, we're not. You should come along and help us.
Oh, no. I've told you, I'm just not scary enough anymore.
Oh, come on. You have to be fairly good at scaring crows. You are a scarecrow.
Well, I used to be brilliant, actually. I got this TripAdvisor review once, right? And somebody said that they found me outstanding in my field. Thank you very much, thank you. If you're groaning at that one, it's going to be a very long 20 minutes for you, I'm afraid. Strap in. But apparently the Crow Man this year has created a new breed of genetically modified corn creatures that wait you just up ahead.
Ooh, genetically modified corn creatures. Are we feeling extra brave?
Yeah!
I'm not quite convinced. Are we feeling extra brave?
Yeah!
Oh, that's better. See, we're not scared of anything, are we? And you shouldn't be either. I tell you what, why don't you try scaring us lot right now?
Righty, oh yeah, I'll give it a go. You seem nice enough. I'll work some of the old magic. Okay, here we go. Wow.
Oh, wow, that was terrible, wasn't it? You're not very scary at all, are you?
Well, I told you I was rubbish. I rest my case. Thank you very much. They're actually replacing me here in the maze with a new robotic scarecrow. Yeah, and I can't compete with that.
Ooh, a robotic scarecrow. That sounds very cool. So you're not coming with us then?
Oh, no, just got my few remaining things left to pack up here.
That's a big package.
Oh, thank you very much. Actually got my Tinky Winky in it.
Pardon?
My Tinky Winky. I keep it in this box.
Madam, this is a kid's ride. Behave yourself.
The rest of my stuff's just over there in that Land Rover.
That's a nice car as well. Oh, no! Oh, shit, get lost! Get lost! Get lost! Oh, dear. Oh. Okay, I'll get those ones on the car, and there's some in the trees there as well. And there's one right behind you. Oh, madam. I'm just going to get that car there to saving me life. Oh, and there's some in the sky too. Oh, some right in the sky. I know. Oh, well, I saved you. Bye, Scarecrow. Oh, dear. Okay, we did it. We made it through the ambush. Well done, everybody. I know that was a lot. Okay, are we still feeling brave? Good, awesome. So he mentioned there's not only the pesky crows to get rid of, but there's also the evil crow man. And apparently there's some genetically modified corn creatures too. Oh, don't worry about the spider, it's been there since 2019. He's just hanging out, isn't he? But there is a tank here that says made in Scotland. What do you reckon might be in there? Made in Scotland. Oh dear, it's the Cobb Nest monster! Oh dear. Wow, that really packs a punch, doesn't it? Oh, we also have the amazing Africorn elephant.
The amazing.
I think actually it missed the majority of us, didn't it? Well done. We also have a giant tin can here as well, and it appears to have been open, judging by the top. It says, warning, may contain traces of crack corn. And on the other side here it says, Corn West tinned coppertopus in water. I'll tell you what, it reminds me of a joke, that. What does it take to make a coppertopus laugh? Tentacles. No. I love you. You're just enjoying every single joke. It's great. Oh, look at that. Those tentacles are actually huge, aren't they? Oh, maybe that might be enough. Oh. And we have a giant crate here. It came in from New York City this morning. I haven't checked what's in it yet, but I'm sure we'll find out. Oh my goodness, it's King Kong! Oh! Well done, everybody. We made it past the genetically modified corn creatures. We did it! Well done. Okay, we are now heading somewhere that looks very scientific. It's like some sort of science lab. Does anybody have any idea what might be happening in a science lab here? Any guesses? You can talk to me. It's not the telly. No? Let's find out. That is brilliant! We are definitely going to defeat the evil crowman with that!
Absolutely, and what's more, to celebrate the demise of all those pesky crows, I have also programmed in a tribute act. Take it away, Freddie Mercury!
I see a little silhouette of a man.
Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Magnificent crow! Oh, oh, oh!
Mamma mia, Mamma mia! I love a bit of Crowhenian Rhapsody. I don't know about you lot. To be honest though, Professor, his voice did sound a bit rusty.
Ah, not to worry, that is easily fixed with a little bit of oil!
No, Professor, stop it! We are sick of this, aren't we? Should I get it back, everybody? Yeah, let's get it back in 3, 2, 1.
Absolute wazzock! Don't you know that water and electricity don't mix very well?
Oh dear! Oh no, not the crowbar, oh dear! We have some bits of crowbar! Oh no, that's not a good idea, is it? Oh no, Oh, I'm so sorry, Professor. Everyone take a big sigh of relief. What a crow motion that was, eh? This is quite serious now, isn't it, though? Because we don't have the Crowbot to help us anymore, which means we are going to have to get rid of the pesky crows and defeat the evil crowman by ourselves. Do you think we can do that?
Yeah!
Absolutely. And what do we shout to crows?
Get lost!
What do we shout to crows?
Get lost!
Exactly, like music to my ears. So I'm going to have a look out for that crowman's lair because I have a feeling it's coming up pretty soon. If you lot can have a look out for any more of those pesky crows for me, that would be fantastic, alright? Oh, no, shout, get lost! Get lost, pesky crows! Get lost! Get lost, get lost, get lost, get lost! in squatting position, aren't they, now that I look at it? Oh no, I don't think you lot know what bears do in the woods, but crazy girls, we have a similar habit, and I'm pretty sure that these ones are going away! Oh no, that is so gross! Oh, disgusting crows, disgusting. Oh my goodness, okay, right, commercial rules, everybody stop using your dog as a shield, that's very cheap.
I am too, I am too.
Isn't it? Oh dear. I'll tell you what, because I'm so nice, I'll give you a wash off. There you go. We don't want your cars to smell like crow, do we? No. There you go. Awesome. Right, where are we? Oh, look at this. We've made it to the Crowman's Lair. Well done, everybody. I need to let you know the Crowman's Lair is guarded by snake security guards. Hands up who's scared of snakes. You are? Good luck. Good luck. Oh, dear. Oh, they're huge as well. Look at that anaconda. We are here. We have infiltrated the Crowman's Lair. Well done, everybody. And I know that some of you are feeling a bit nervous. I mean, we've got raincoats on indoors, you know, quite nerve-wracking, isn't it? But I've heard that this Crowman is nothing but a feather-covered showbiz nut, so...
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. The Crowman is here, the greatest villain of them all. And now that you're here, I am almost ready to perform on the stage. Made of, it's a dream, the greatest crow. Oh wait, that's me. Caw. I know what you're thinking down there. Caw. Well, hold on a moment. I recognise you lot. You're some of Farmer Tom's Maislings. Are you sent here to try to defeat me?
Yes.
Oh, well, that shan't be happening, because I've made the most of the year self-isolating. Can you tell? And now I'm completely undefeatable. That's right, even bigger and better than ever. It's true what they say, you know.
This is the greatest crow!
Oh yes, you can boo all you like. In fact, I love the boos.
What is that?
Why, it's a pina colada, of course, Anna. Just one of the many cocktails we serve here at my... Oh,
Very smooth.
Crowbar.
Oh, very nice. And what else do you have?
Well, we've got Cronenberg on draft, obviously. Or, to celebrate the very special occasion of me being crowned king of this maze, how about we pop open a cheeky bottle of Prosecco?
Stop it, come on, there are kids on this ride, not dogs.
Okay, all right,
Yeah.
okay, I get your point. Well, how about a can of Coca-Cola?
Yeah, that's much better, isn't it?
Yes, but too bad. I need this as a part of my latest dastardly scheme. You see, last night, while he was sleeping, I snuck into that Clayfesser's lab down the track there, and I stole this!
What is that?
Why, this is how I plan to become the ruler of not just this puny ride, but the whole of York Maze. It's a size-determining remote control, and with just one flick of either of these buttons, I can make anything grow as ginormously large or shrink down as microscopically tiny as I wish.
Oh, no, you can't.
Oh, yes, I can.
Oh, no, you can't.
Oh, yes, I can.
Oh, no, you can't.
Oh, yes, I can. It's delightful, isn't it? And now you've seen its shrinking ability, it's time for me to demonstrate its enlargement capabilities with the help of this. Teeny tiny, small, quite cute if I'm being honest, unicorn teddy, which, coincidentally, is also available for purchase at the York Maze gift shop. Watch and learn, Maislings. You're about to crow big or crow home. Here! Okay, everyone, just pretend that went in the box. A big, strong pro man who throws exactly where he means to throw. Oh, yeah. Isn't it magnificent? Oh, yes, I'm gonna grow my crows, too. I've got it all under control. But, what's on? here! Russell, I'm going to give you this remote, okay, Russell? And don't you even think about touching anything. I've got a very genius plan, but I'm going to need a costume change to make up for it, okay? Alright, nobody do anything while I'm gone, okay? I'm going to leave, okay? And don't you shrink me, Russell, when I come back.
Well, I think his remote control was a little bit too powerful. What do you reckon? And I think he got a bit scared of what it can do. But I don't like the implication that he was going to shrink us all. Do you? No, I don't either. Do you like that implication, Russell? I don't either. So how about we hatch a little plan? But I'm going to need you lot to help me. What do you reckon we can do to teach that crowman a lesson? Oh, shrink him? I like that idea. Do you like that idea, Russell? I know he said not to shrink him, but we don't have to listen to him, do we? Okay, Russell, how about you hide over there with the remote control, okay? And everybody else, we are going to count down from 5 when the crowman comes back out, and then he's going to zap him and shrink it, okay? Let's wait for him to come back.
I'm coming back at the crowbar. Hey, crowbar, come back. Wait, what's all the shouting about? What's all about? Russell, no! The text working and it's really impressive. No!
We did it, everybody! Give Russell a round of applause. Well done! And look, we've shrunk the crowman. Look at that. Any last words, crowman?
I'll get you, Maislings, if it's the last thing I do. Yeah!
Well done, everybody. Well done. Okay, I want to get 3 young mage cheers, all right? When I say hip hip, you say get lost. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Give yourselves a round of applause, everybody. Well done. Well done. Goodbye, Russell. Bye. Well done. We did it. We did it. We shrunk the crowman. Well done, everybody. Okay, you have just saved York Maze and defeated the evil crowman for another year. So well done. Did you enjoy that? Yeah, okay, fantastic. We are heading back to the loading bay now, and I would also like to get a big round of applause for Laura, our tractor driver. Yeah, sometimes I fall over up here, and I didn't fall over once today, so... Right, we are now heading back. If you please could just remain seated until we come to a complete stop. You'll be getting off of this side of the trailer, alright, and someone will let you know when it's time to stand up. We do have some other shows on today as well. We've got Colonel's House Party at 2 and 4, and our final pig race of the day at 3 p.m, and our Carnival Phone Party at 5 o'clock. So, yeah, come along to that if you can. There's going to be a special guest and everything. Here we are heading back. Is there anyone on the maze towers? I can see people in the maze right here. You are very lost. You are very lost. Are you okay? You're on the outside of the maze. Bye-bye! I'll see you later, Russell. I didn't see Russell. Well done, everybody. Hands up who got wet on that ride. Yeah, okay, hands up who stayed dry. Some people just didn't put their hands up for either option. Is that because you know I'm going to do this anyway? Yeah? That's probably what it is, yeah. Amazing. Okay, here we are back at the loading bay. I tell you what, there's not very many people in the queue, but should I get them with the water weapon anyway? Yeah, I think I should as well. So can you give me a big loud cheer after 3, everybody? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! What a great time! Hello, everybody down there. Are you ready to come aboard the Crewmania ride? Are you ready to get wet? Yeah! There's not many of you, so I can really focus in. Like, oh, there you go. Great.